GEM realized the value of technology. Creative thinking changes the world. To leave a good impression and earn the trust of our customers, we have conducted endless research and overcame challenges. GEM manufactures products beyond customers' expectations. GEM Co. Limited is specialized in manufacturing special machines, machine tools, FA systems, jigs and fixtures, and gantry systems, including designing, machining, manufacturing, setup, and field testing entirely in-house. GEM produces safer and more convenient products faster and more accurately, and based on the recognition of its accumulated technology, is growing continuously in its customers' trust. GEM's products are playing a pivotal role in many industries worldwide beyond Korea. The key to this is that they lead the market with a systematic two-track system between GEM's headquarters in Korea and its branches in China, based on its high technology and top quality. GEM has the best production capacity in the world with its flexible manufacturing system and by standardizing efficient and stable manufacturing processes. GEM is consistently endeavoring to become the world's #1 brand by satisfying the needs of customers. GEM's products, launched by constant research and development, have established their unique positions in a variety of industrial fields. Soft milling, 6-axis, special machine machining of outer race, inner race. Hard milling, 7-axis special machine machining of outer race, inner race. Special machine for axle machining, 3-axis spindle and feed units with an LH-RH configuration. Milling machine, achieve fast cycle times, a brake caliper body per 22 seconds. Rotary index machine, achieve fast cycle times, a torque member per 20 seconds. JIG fixture, unit and component. Assembly automation line. In particular, GEM has developed the 8-speed DCT assembly line for the first time in Korea. Caliper assembly line. Ability mixed flow 1-piston and 2-piston production. Drum brake assembly line. Quality assurance, record management and tracking management. Automation system. A total system with industrial multi-joint robots. Gantry loader, robust and compact structure. Testing machine, noise inspection system. Inspect defective product by the abnormal sound during steering, gear match production. Component, gear parts. GEM provides customers with highly reliable products in order to become one of the world's best equipment and machining company through customer-oriented product development systems and designs. Based on the creativity of engineers and endless challenge spirit, GEM Technology Research Institute has succeeded in various patent applications and product differentiation and has been recognized as its technological prowess by obtaining major certifications in Korea and abroad. GEM Co. Limited is constantly researching and developing new products that suit the world market rather than settling for existing products. Based on its responsibility and technology for products, GEM is growing rapidly as a Korea's representative company specializing in manufacturing equipment and machining, and GEM is changing the paradigm of manufacturing systems. GEM supplies products to global companies such as Hyundai Wia, Central, Doosan, ZF Stocks Korea, ZFLK, Nextier, Shinha ENG, Lijin, and Edwards Korea, as well as supplying its products in major projects. A company thinking not only efficient and innovative products, but also the environment. A company that is always with customers anywhere, anytime. A world-class company leading innovation based on its efforts. GEM will create a new world with its new values.